Hello everybody and welcome back to Digital Point. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your username on BeReal. This is a very quick, very easy thing you can do if you don't like your username or if you just want to change it. As you can see, I'm on the main screen here, and at the top I am going to hit my profile icon. Then you are going to hit it again there. And then you'll see your username. And this is, again, very quick, very easy. It has your current username there. I'm just going to tweak it a little bit and do that. It is available, and this will show up after your next post on the app. So we'll hit change username, and that's it. I mean, it is extremely easy. You can cancel if you decide you don't want that username. You can cancel and keep your current username. Like I said, very quick, very easy. That new username will show up after your next notification to post on the app. So right now it has my current one, but that will change later on. So don't worry about that if you don't see a change. It will change eventually. So have you changed your username on BeReal? Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, we will see you in the next video.